Easy read, nature stories. Bird bills. Birds have bills, also called beaks. Different birds have different bills for different reasons. A long bill helps a bird reach for food. Shorebirds probe for worms and other goodies. The hummingbird reaches into flowers for nectar. The bills of hunting birds have a sharp tip. This osprey uses the tip like a tooth to tear off bits of fish. The beak of a goldfinch is just right for cracking seeds. A woodpecker's beak is like a chisel. The sapsucker makes holes in a tree so it can drink the sap that leaks out. This stork has a bill designed to open clams. A toucan's big bill helps it cool down on hot days. The pouch of a pelican's bill helps catch fish and also helps it cool down when it's hot. Once a bird is well fed, it's time to use that bill to preen feathers. Bird bills. To see and hear a story about elephants, click here. Click here if you want to subscribe and get a notice when new videos are added.